Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reset settings on Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To reset Microsoft Edge browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings. In left pane, you will find an option reset settings. Now click on reset settings. Now click on restore settings to their default values. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tab. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorite history and saved password will not be cleared. Now click on reset. Look, settings are reset. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.